Hello everyone, my name is Joshi, Head of Research at MarketSmith India. So yesterday night, the IT sector came under a lot of pressure, both domestically as well as globally, because Anthropic came out with its new launch, where they're probably having an open code, which sits inside the layers of an enterprise and helps decode all the complex decision making and provide solutions for that. And therefore, I think a lot of IT companies came under tremendous amount of pressure, with all the majors probably declining. And today, I think stocks like TCS, Infosys have declined more than 6%, 7%. The mid-cap IT space, Coforge, LPI, Mindtree have had proportionate declines as well. Even at a global scale, SaaS companies showed decline. You had product companies and competitors of Anthropic, which also showed significant amount of decline. And therefore, the fear on the street is, both locally and globally, that such AI platforms, as they start coming through with more use of agentic AI agents and open core sourcing, this will lead to immense competition globally, and probably accelerated investments that probably happen might actually mean that a lot of IT companies might actually come under a lot of pricing pressure to develop these models. And as other competitors develop faster and more efficient models, can existing business models come under the top? And therefore, I think you've seen a decent correction happening on these stocks. Is it a good time to go in and start buying aggressively? I think we've maintained a neutral view, because at MarketSmith India, I think the rating and rankings showed to be very, very neutral for the entire sector as a whole, albeit a few mid-cap IT companies. However, I think for the larger sector as a whole, these disruptions will continue as AI gains more speed and momentum, with more innovations happening. Interestingly, I think Fractal Analytics is one company which is coming out, which has made an IPO in the coming week. They've actually reduced their IPO size by half. But what does Fractal do? Again, it's a worldwide enterprise AI analytics company, which probably helps in developing AI solutions with domain-specific and functional knowledge. They've got two divisions: Fractal AI, which probably offers its AI platform Agentic, helping making decisions with integrated tools, and Fractal Alpha, which probably helps in identifying enterprises, businesses in key domains, and making faster and better solutions. So this IPO will be closely watched out for. But with Anthropic, I think it has created a 404 error in most computer systems across the world.